Hi team. Good evening everybody. Today what do you all know that World Parents Day? Okay. I would like to say few points about it. Parents are the first teacher. Parents are the biggest support system in our lives, isn't it? They provide us guidance, blessings, and stay by your side. Parents are the greatest gift of nature children. Then in 2012, the United Nations General Assembly declared the first ever Global Day of Parents. You all know that who started Parents Day? Parents Day was established in 1994 when President Bill Clinton signed a congressional resolution into law for recognizing, uplifting, and supporting the role of parents in the rearing of children. During this COVID-19 pandemic hugely raised the responsibilities of parents. They're not only financial supporter, their families, but also looked after their non-school going children at home. This theme was dedicated to all due to the parents throughout the world who work, suffer, and sacrifice for the comfort of their families. Appreciate all parents throughout the world is the theme of Global Parents Day 2021. Got my point? Parents are the best gift of God. Nobody in life can take the place of parents, isn't it? They are true well wishers. If the children showing more interest towards the parents, that is God's gifted. We can't see God children, but we have parents. In India, they are referred to as God. Since ancient times, we taught to respect parents and elders. Nowadays, due to busy schedule, children are not able to spend their time with the parents. Why? Because all are working at home itself. Till morning to till the night, they'll be working. They don't have any spending their time with their parents. National Parents Day honors all parents of the fourth Sunday in July children. No matter whether parents may be this day, so to celebrate their important role in their lives. You all know that May 8th, we are celebrated Mother's Day, isn't it? Like the June 3rd weeks of Sunday, we are celebrate Father's Day. It follows that the July we can bring all our parents together and show them some appreciation all at once. Recently says that a lot of people spend time with their families during the coronavirus pandemic. Parents should bring their children in this world with all their love, care, and affection towards them. No matter how far we come, parents are always in us. Never know the love of a parent till you people are become parents, isn't it? Now, say this proverb: a father's goodness is higher than mountain. A mother's goodness is deeper than the sea. This is the Japanese proverb. You all know the meaning of this, which says always respect, love, and care for your parents. We don't always appreciate or recognize the sacrifice they have made to provide us what you take for granted, love, and respect each other. Parents' love is whole matter. How many times it is divided? You all know that. First, your parents, they give you your life, isn't it? But then they try to give you their life. Love your parents and treat them with loving care, for you will know their value when you see their empty chair. You should respect parents always. There is no friendship, no love like that of the parent for the child. Parental love is the only love that is truly selfless, unconditional, extraordinary, and forgiving. Okay, whatever, if you do any mistakes, parents are always supportive people only, isn't it? It's a unconditional love. Parents should always the source of inspiration and motivation. Nobody on the earth can ever love you more than your parents. That you should think always positive. Okay. Now, dear children, like I'll say, I have no words to thank you for giving me more than what I deserve. My, you're my ideals, strengths, and inspiration. Okay. Now I'm going to say a few lines in Kannada. ತನ್ನ ಮಗುವಿನ ಮುಖವನ್ನು ನೋಡುವುದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮೊದಲೇ ತನ್ನ ಮಗುವನ್ನು ಪ್ರೀತಿಸುವ ಏಕೈಕ ಮಹಿಳೆ ತಾಯಿ. ಮಗು ಹೊಟ್ಟೆಲಿರುವಾಗ್ಲೇ ತಾಯಿಗೆ ಆ ಮಗು ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಬಂದು ಎಲ್ಲರ ಮುಖವನ್ನು ನೋಡುವ ಆಸೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ತಾಯಿ ಮುಖನೇ ನೋಡೋದು ಫಸ್ಟ್. ಮಗು ಹುಟ್ಟಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಯಾರ ಮುಖ ನೋಡುತ್ತೆ? ತಾಯಿ ಮುಖನೇ ನೋಡೋದು. ತನಗಿಂತ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗಿ ತನ್ನ ಮಗುವನ್ನು ಪ್ರೀತಿಸುವ ಏಕೈಕ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ ಯಾರದು ಗೊತ್ತಾ? ತಂದೆ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ದೊಡ್ಡವರಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಧಿಕವಾಗಿ ಬೆಳೆದಿರ್ತೀರಾ ನೀವು. ಆದ್ರೂನು ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನ ಪ್ರೋತ್ಸಾಹ ಮಾಡೋದು ಯಾರು? ತಂದೆ ಮತ್ತು ತಾಯಿನೇ. ನಮಗೆ ಜೀವ ಕೊಟ್ಟ, ಸಾಕಿ ಬೆಳೆಸಿ ಕಾಪಾಡಿದ ತಂದೆ ತಾಯಿಯ ತ್ಯಾಗದ ಋಣವನ್ನು ಎಳ್ಳಷ್ಟು ತೀರಿಸಲಾಗದು. ತಂದೆ ತಾಯಿಯನ್ನು ಪ್ರೀತಿಸಿ, ಗೌರವಿಸಿ, ಎದುರಿಸಬೇಡಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. ತಂದೆ ತಾಯಿ ಮಾತನ್ನು ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ನಾನು ಹೇಳೋದು? ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಟೀಮ್. I should say special thanks to my son. You're given me good opportunity to say few lines about Parents' Day. Thanks a lot. Thank you. Anybody have any questions? Hello? ಯಾರು ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಅನ್ನೋಕು?
Nice, man. Nice. Thank you.
Anybody have any questions? Nothing?
It was very nice.